Hello guys, hope you're doing well. Today we'll differentiate u to the power of v, where u and v are function of x. We start by taking the natural log of both sides to bring the exponent down, and then we differentiate. So if y is equal u to the power of v, so we first take the natural log of both sides to bring the exponent down. So we have ln of y is equal ln of u to the power of v. So ln of y is equal v times ln of u. Now we differentiate both sides of the equation. So we have the derivative of ln of y. We know that the derivative of ln of u is equal the derivative of u over u. So the derivative of ln of y is equal y prime over y is equal. Here we use the product rule. Means derivative of the first times the second plus derivative of the second times the first. So we have derivative of the first is v prime times ln of u plus derivative of the second is equal u prime over u times the first v. Okay? Now we multiply both sides of the equation by y. So we have y prime is equal y times v prime times ln of u plus u prime over u times v. So finally y prime is equal u is equal u to the power of v, u to the power of v times v prime times ln of u plus u prime over u times v. Don't worry guys, it's very simple. Let's walk through a few examples. Find the derivative of x to the power of x at x is equal e. Differentiating this directly with the power rule would be messy. So we have if y is equal x to the power of x, we first take the natural log of both sides to bring the exponent down and then simplify. So we have ln of y is equal ln of x to the power of x. So ln of y is equal x times ln of x. Now we differentiate both sides of the equation. So we have the derivative of ln of y is equal y prime over y is equal, we use the product rule, means derivative of the first, so the derivative of x is equal 1 times ln of x plus the derivative of the second times the first, means the derivative of ln of x is equal 1 over x times the first is x. So we have y prime over y is equal ln of x plus 1 over x times x is equal 1. So finally y prime is equal, we multiply both sides of the equation by y. Y times ln of x plus 1. Okay? Y is equal x to the power of x. So we have y prime is equal x to the power of x times ln of x plus 1. Okay? So y prime at x is e. Okay? Is equal e to the e to the e times ln of e plus 1. We know that ln of e is equal 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal 2. So y prime is equal 2 times e to the e. Find the derivative of y. If y is equal to x plus 1 to the power of x minus 1, So first take the natural log of both sides. So we have ln of y is equal ln of 2x plus 1 to the power of x minus 1. So ln of y is equal, bring the exponent down, x minus 1 times ln of 2x plus 1. Now we differentiate both sides of the equation. So we have the derivative of ln of y is equal y prime over y is equal, we use the product rule, means the derivative of x minus 1 is 1 times the second ln of 2x plus 1 plus the derivative of the second. The derivative of ln of 2x plus 1 is equal to 2 over 2x plus 1 times the first x minus 1. Okay, so if we multiply both sides of the equation by y, we have y prime is equal y times ln of 2x plus 1 plus 2 over 2x plus 1 times x minus 1. Okay, so finally y prime is equal, y is equal 2x plus 1 to the power of x minus 1. So we have 2x plus 1 to the power of x minus 1 times ln of 2x plus 1 plus 2 times x minus 1 over 2x plus 1. That's it. It's very, very simple. Look at this example carefully. Y is equal x squared plus 1 to the power of x cubed. So first, take the natural log of both sides to bring the exponent down. So ln of y is equal ln of x squared plus 1 to the power of x cubed. So ln of y is equal x cubed times ln of x squared plus 1. Okay, now we take the derivative of both sides. So we have y prime over y is equal, the derivative of the first is equal 3x squared times ln of x squared plus 1 plus the derivative of ln of x squared plus 1 is equal 2x over x squared plus 1 times the first times x cubed. So we multiply both sides of the equation by y. Y prime is equal y means x squared plus 1 to the power of x cubed times 3x squared times ln of x squared plus 1 plus 2x times x cubed is equal to 2x to the power of 4 over x squared plus 1. That's it.